How to use robots.txt. The robots.txt file is a text file used to provide instructions to web robots, also known as web crawlers or spiders, about which pages or sections of a website should not be crawled or indexed. Here's how you can use robots.txt. 1. Create the robots.txt file ***. Use a text editor to create a new file named robots.txt. Place this file in the root directory of your website. 2. Specify user agents ***. Use the user agent directive to specify which web crawlers the rules apply to. For example, user agent ***. This means the rules apply to all web crawlers. User agent could leave it. This means the rules apply specifically to Google's crawler. 3. Disallow or allow directories /files ***. Use the disallow directive to instruct crawlers not to crawl certain directories or files. For example, disallow /private/ this tells crawlers not to crawl anything in the /private/ directory. Disallow /file.html. This tells crawlers not to crawl a specific file, in this case, file.html. 4. Allow access to certain user agents ***. You can use the allow directive to explicitly allow access to certain directories or files. For example, allow /public/ this allows crawlers to crawl the /public/ directory. 5. Crawl delay ***. Use the crawl delay directive to specify the delay, in seconds, that should be observed by crawlers between requests. For example, crawl delay 10. This means a 10-second delay between requests. 6. Wildcard usage ***. Wildcards can be used in robots.txt. For example, user agent ***disallow /private/star.pdf. This disallows crawling all PDF files in the /private/ directory. 7. Test in Google Search Console ***. After creating or modifying your robots.txt file, it's advisable to test it using Google Search Console's robots.txt tester tool. This helps ensure that your directives are working as expected. 8. Regularly update ***. Regularly review and update your robots.txt file as your website structure or content changes. Important considerations: be careful with disallowing too much, as it may affect how your site appears in search engine results. Ensure that sensitive or private information is properly protected using other methods, example password protection or secure server configurations. Remember that while robots.txt can suggest to web crawlers which content to exclude, it doesn't enforce security. It's more of a guideline that well-behaved crawlers follow. Malicious crawlers may ignore these instructions.